Hey guys, Jerry teaches Chinese here. So this is a mistake I made a lot. In fact, I continue to make it sometimes. I have to correct myself. Part of it is because my regional dialect says it one way, which is not the proper way. But I want to pass it to you guys now so you guys don't make the mistake when you start learning Chinese. If you want to ask how much, the word is 多少,多少,多少. That's what you have to know. Certain regional dialects, they say 好多,好多 means a lot. So, for example, to use 好多 in a sentence, 我有好多水. 水 is water. So, I have a lot of water. 我有好多水. 我有好多水. If you wanted to ask someone, how much water do you have? You would use 多少. My regional dialect, you would say 你有好多. Right? So we would use the word for a lot to also mean how many or how much. And I feel like by telling you guys, I'm going to mix you guys up. But remember, it's 多少. 多少literally means more or less. More, less, or more or fewer. That's what 多少 means. So remember, you ask about amount in a questioning way. 多少? 你有多少学问? I just ask, how much knowledge do you have? 你有多少能量? How much energy do you have? 你有多少个姐妹? How many sisters do you have? To give you guys another way to talk about uncertain numbers, besides 多少, you can say 几. 几, third tone. So you can say 你有几个姐妹? Another way to ask how many sisters. 几 is accounting. So you know how in English there's certain measurements that can be used for countable stuff, like fewer. Fewer is for counting. Less is for stuff that you can't count. 几 is explicitly for stuff you can count. So water, you can't really count how much water unless you say a measurement. So 你有几升水? 升's a measurement. Then that could work. But if I were to ask in the abstract how much water do you have, I couldn't say 你有几水 or 你有几个水. You could say 几个 if you're saying the quantity of bottles. But if I abstractly wanted to ask you how much water you have, 你有多少水? So I hope this helps. I will do a big video in the future about units and measurements. So don't stress about that. I got you covered. Okay, Jerry teaches Chinese out. Remember, 多少,好多 is very limited. It's only for bragging about how much you have. So if someone says, 你身边有几个女人, which means how many women do you have around you? 你身边有几个女人? You can say, 好多啊. Okay, Jerry teaches Chinese out.